Okay, let us analyze this question. It says that the oven has a system which consists of bar W. So indicate bar W is here. A bulb and an alarm to alert user when the temperature of the oven is too high. Bar W expand, okay, underline this part, when temperature increases. Okay, so you look at this temperature graph here. So at 26 degrees Celsius, both will be turned off. At 100, the bulb will be lit, but the alarm off. At 300, which is too high, the alarm will be turned on. Okay, initially they do not have this P and Q, but I added the P and Q inside the worksheet. So I want you to add in this P and Q because for answering questions, it's easier to give a label to the two different contexts because these two contexts serve a different purpose. So before I show you the answer, they ask you there are two contexts on bar W. State a possible material, okay, for the context P and Q that allow the system to work properly. So you look at this context here, because this is the battery, right? So for this battery to be able to send the electricity to turn on the bulb and the alarm, of course, this contact, I want it to touch here, right? To form a closed circuit. And this one to form here. Okay. So now, what is the type of material? So this one have many possible answers as long as you mention a metal that can conduct electricity. So there are many possible answers. So you can say iron, steel, okay, okay, even silver, okay, all these are possible answers. Okay, possible material. Okay, next they say draw on the diagram above using the legend. Legend means this thing here. Okay, the key. Okay, the legend to show how the bulb and alarm are connected in the circuit. So the oven work according. You must satisfy this condition. According to the observations. Okay, according to here. So that's made at 100 degrees Celsius. I only want the bulb to be lit. At 300, I want both of them to be turned on. So this is what happened. Okay, so you see here, this one I erase off. So technically, if you draw the bulb, right, the bulb should be somewhere here. Okay, so the bulb, and then you add the wires from here to here. Join here. Okay, so you see when at 100 degrees Celsius, because they mentioned this part, right, bar W will expand when temperature increase. So this bar W, it will increase because this is a fixed, this part is fixed. So they will expand horizontally and also vertically. Okay, why vertically? Because I want contact P to form, to touch here so that the current can pass through. So I do a single loop to show you. So when that happens, when let's say P touches here, the current from here will go through here, right? Correct? And go to the bulb, and the bulb will be lit. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, then at a higher temperature, when the oven temperature is too high, at 300 degrees Celsius, my objective is that this part will form a close contact here. Okay, so that means this will continue expanding. Okay, remember, because this will expand horizontally, right? At 100, P already touches here. So it will continue to slide there. But personally, I find in the drawing, right, the distance between this gap is too big. So if I'm the school HOD, right, I would tell the teacher, please redraw this part. This distance is a bit too wide, make it narrower. Yeah, because eventually at 300 degrees Celsius, I want contact T, right, to form a closed circuit here. So where do I put the alarm? So the alarm must be along this line because I want the alarm to turn on, correct? So the alarm A, right, you should draw somewhere here. Okay. Can they label A? Okay, the alarm. So that's me at 300 degrees Celsius. So this one already connected, right? P already touches here. So the current will continue to flow here, flow past the contact Q, and through A, alarm will turn on. So this is the model answer. Okay, this is the model answer for this question. I will do a screenshot and then we'll send to you shortly. And I'd like you to see the school's model answer. Okay, the model answer provided to the student is this one. As I roll down, okay, this is the model answer provided by the school. So A is here, the bulb is here. Can you see this part? So this is the bulb, this is the alarm. So at higher temperature, this part will touch here. Because this already touched at a lower temperature. Okay. And the answer for the next question, because they ask you, okay, explain how bar W works as temperature of the oven reaches 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, 100 that's mean only the bulb turns on. So in my model answer, which I put it here, okay, so it should say bar W gains heat and expand. The contact, okay, just now I put this P, right? Okay, P, yeah. So you change to P. And the contact P will touch the electrical contact X. Okay, so the P will touch X. So can you copy down this one? Okay, so because I label this as P, and this is Q. So at 100 degrees Celsius, only contact P touches contact X. So the current will only flow through the bulb. Okay, next part. Next part, next question is, let me see, it's related to here. Okay, 39, wait. Okay, 39 is the new questions. So we finish this part first, 38C. Okay, 38C, I will do a screenshot and send you the answer.